Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now in today's video, I've created this really sort of fun cut crease look for Pride. I don't know, I just felt in a very fun creative mood, so I've done a bit of rainbow colour here and I've gone a bit mad with the eyelashes. I don't know, I just got inspired by drag. I know this isn't perfect by any means, but I just thought it'd just be a bit of fun just to do a bit of both. Do a bit of the rainbow and then a little bit of drag at the same time. I'm obsessed, I dig it. I just think it's just a bit of fun. So I hope you guys really enjoy this tutorial. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. So if you guys want to know how I created this eye look, just keep watching. Alright guys, so I've just primed my lids with a bit of concealer. Apologies for the brows, they're currently tinting at the moment, that's why they're a little bit dark at the moment. It's nice and satisfying because once I've done my eye makeup I just peel the tint off and nothing affects my brows, so that's great. Anyway, this palette is going to be the star of the show. This is the Match Your Moods eyeshadow palette by Human Beauty. I am obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. If you want an Urban Decay Moon Dust dupe, this is your go-to. This is so good. Not sponsored, but this is really, really good. Okay, so let's start with the red, well, aka the pink. I'm gonna take this color right here, this pinky color. It's kind of like it's got like an orange sparkle shift in it. It's very, very pretty. And I'm just gonna grab a very old Urban Decay, like fluffy brush. It's like a firm packing fluffy brush, but it's really, really good. I'm not worried about it being a bit messy or anything because we're only going to clean it up with concealer anyway, so I am just going to proper dab this in the inner corner and bringing it just a quarter across, so maybe just about there, but really packing it on, not being shy about it. I'm now going to grab the yellow colour, this beautiful sparkly yellow colour. Just going to grab it on a this is a angled blending brush from Look Good Feel Better. I'm not sure where I got this from, but that's the brush anyway. So I'm going to grab that colour and I'm just going to stick this colour sort of in the middle of the eye and blending it in with the pink colour together. Right, I'm going to take this beautiful emerald green colour now on a fluffy brush and I'm just going to start packing it probably just about here, just slightly between that yellow colour, probably just about there. Really packing this generously on. Okay, I'm going to take the darker blue colour now in the palette, just on another fluffy brush. I'm going to start packing this colour right about here. And I'm even going to gap here because that's where the purple colour's going to go. So really make sure we add a nice pop of blue. Right, lastly, I'm going to grab the purple colour now on a flat packing brush. And I'm going to dollop that colour right on the outer edge. Probably just about there. And we're just going to do buffing motions to bring out the colour. Okay, once you feel that you've blended all your colours together slightly, like I've been doing, you just go in with a concealer brush. It's just an angled brush. Grabbing some concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna start, actually that might be too much, just gonna start carving out the shape. I wouldn't recommend using too much concealer because you could crease your eyelids, so be careful. And bringing it out this way as well. Okay, before we do the eyeliner, I'm just going to grab a flat brush. I'm going to grab this white colour with a blue shift in it. It's very pretty. And I'm just going to lightly place this on the lid. It's just something to set the lid with, and it's not too much to take the attention away from the crease. It's just really pretty. Okay, this is where I'm going to need my most concentration. So I'm going to go with an eyeliner. This is discontinued. This is a Revolution Le Calalu. I'll put the name on screen. But this is an old eyeliner collection, so I'm going to be using this. And then I'm also going to be using a little bit of the Studio London Define the Lines double-ended eyeliner, because the other end's got like a skinnier tip. So that's what I'm going to be using. So, might not be able to film this very well, but wish me luck. So, I'm not going to make the line thin. I'm going to make it pretty thick under the eye. I think it's as good as it's going to get, because I feel like I'm just going to overfill the liner and make it too thicker, and I know it's not symmetrical, but I've done the best I can. We can never seem to do it symmetrical, can we? So, right, let's do the lid now. Okay, now before I do the inner corner point, we're going to add some silver on the lower lash line. So I'm going to take the silver colour from the palette, flipping the other end of this brush, going to use this end. I'm just going to run some silver underneath. So I've done the eyeliner here, and also underneath as well. So now I'm going to add the lashes. So I've got these lashes here. I really don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see them, but can you see the lashes? I've got like a hint of colour on them. It's really cool. These are like the Adele eyelashes. These are the rainbow burst eyelashes. So they've got like a rainbow band to them, but it's not too much to take away from the eyes, if that makes sense. But these lashes will be good, like if you want to wear like a pop of colour but don't wear too much colour, then these will be right up your street. So I'm going to pop these on. And then I've just got these like just very cheap eyelashes, which I'm going to pop like these little guys here on the lower lash line. I'm just going to chop them up into individual parts and just stick them underneath. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, they're not perfect, but as you can see, these are both of the eyes completed. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and happy Pride to you all. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.